In 2007, we bought this home. This being our first home purchase.
Yeah.
You just learn so much about things that you never thought about, you know?
Some things are surprises, like when the roof flew off. We had a big gust of wind and the whole roof peeled back.
We love this house, and making the decision to leave and leave this view and all the time and, you know, energy we've put into it was so hard, and we were so back and forth. And then, you know, one day it was just stormy and it was raining, and all of a sudden a door slams, the window falls out of our second story, shatters onto the street below, and it just kind of was like, this is a sign.
Yeah, so once we did decide to make the sell, I really thought this house deserves the right people to take over and see it through, see the whole project to the maximum potential.
We cannot wait to get this project started.
It's hard not to get excited about how this home is going to be transformed from a house into a home. And we're gonna maximize all the amazing potential this house has and send this house off to the next family with the love and the joy and the creative energy that our current homeowners have always seen for this home.